morning everyone. So we'll start with our monthly recommendations. First we have Mahindra and Mahindra. Current market price of 2,580 and first target of 2,905. Speaking about the company, they are one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the country. So apart from passenger vehicle and commercial vehicles, they are also the market leaders in tractor segment. So why we are recommending the stock is because right now monsoon is coming. All the weather forecasting agencies are expecting a good monsoon. So their tractor segment is expected to show very good results. Even otherwise, looking at all the tariff situations right now, their exports is only 5%. So right now, so even if there is a tariff issue, it will not really impact them so much. The main company, the impact would more come into companies like Tata Motors, because they have their Jaguar segment which is exporting heavily into US. So so a good monsoon and very good sales in their tractors segment is expected. Even looking at last 2 quarter results, their tractor volumes have been very good. And last year, if you are looking at the auto data, the company has done really well. And next we have BPCL. So current market price of 293 and first target of 330. So right now again, due to tariff situations, the prices of crude oil has fallen around 26%. So see, around 2 days back, government said that they are increasing the excise duty. Even if this happens, and if provided that the crude oil price stays low, it is very good for the company. They are operating 3 refineries all over India, and they are the second largest public sector undertaking refinery. They operate the second largest in the country. And so even provided this whole tariff situation and crude oil being very low is very beneficial for the company. And also mostly people buy these petroleum stocks thinking that they'll give good dividends. So that is also one factor. One dividend, it will take another 6-7 months, but you can expect a good dividend also. And next we have Tata Power. They are into electric distribution generation. Mainly focuses too much on renewable energy sources also, mainly solar. Around 40% of their business is catering to the renewable energy. The management's target is that by 2030, it should be around 70%. A lot of government PLI schemes and even the rooftop government's initiatives, it really boosts the company's order book. Right now, this last year, their capex was around 22,500 crores, and we can expect similar capex this year also. Fundamentally also the company has been doing well, except their Odisha business was not very well that year, but management is saying that from this quarter it should improve. Again, the main reason why we are speaking about this company, one is the valuation is very good, and looking at the current tariff situations, most of these companies will be least affected by the tariff situation. And next we have Federal Bank. Speaking about the bank, they are a mid-cap private sector bank. Speaking about their good numbers, good loan growth, deposit growth, good net interest margin, which is one of the key metrics we evaluate when we look at banks. Apart from that, last year they appointed the former MD of Kotak Bank. He was very instrumental in in the Kotak Bank's growth. So he is their current MD right now. So operationally, this is a big point for them. And even apart from that, last week, as most of you know, RBI has cut the rate by almost 25 basis points. So this will really help the banking sector. They will be able to give out more loans, and even we are expecting decent Q4 numbers also. And right now even Federal Bank is in very good buy range. PE is only 11, in a very good cheap range we are getting it. And finally we have insecticides. It is an agrochemical company. They mainly focused on agro products such as insecticides, herbicides, fungicides. So they cater completely only to the Indian market. They are also having a joint venture with a huge Japanese company, Agrio. And looking at the numbers have been decent. Why we are recommending insecticides again is mainly because of monsoon, good expected monsoon. We are expecting sales to improve. But apart from that, a lot of chemical companies, they have already been priced very well past 1 month. So when we are looking at all the other companies, insecticides is in a good range right now. Also, one more reason is that, see, for these companies, Q2 and Q3 is when the most results are coming. So right now, this quarter's results may not be that great, but the price range is good to enter right now. We'll look at last month's review. Nifty gave a return of 1.2%. Our stocks gave a return of 5.9. GRSC has done really well. We spoke about a big order that that would be received, but that news has not come yet. But maybe the purchase came in anticipation of that. Crompton 10 rupees less, no specific company sector news. For others, see Wonderla and Crompton mainly, as we spoke last time, sales are boosted normally during this time, during summer time. So people who are having it can still hold. Even Menkes and PTC, especially about PTC. PTC also last time we gave it as a dividend stock. So they have not declared dividend yet. So people who are still interested can still buy it. Okay, thank you.